Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are learning our alphabet Be. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel for more videos as we are going to be learning Urdu. Okay, so our first today is we are going to be doing Be. Okay, this is how you write it Be, and then this is how when you add some other letters you can write Be like this. Okay, so this is the isolated form, and this is when you write Be in the start, batah, and then in middle, just like in akhbar, and then in an, kitab, and another one is lab. Okay, so Be, what are the things we can make with Be? Be से बतख, बे से बंदर, बे से बकरी, बे से बिल्ली, okay, so days of the week, we are gonna do days of the week. P, सोमवार, we say Monday. Tuesday, मंगल. Wednesday, बुध. Thursday, जुमेरात. Friday, जुमा. Saturday, हफ्ता. Sunday, इतवार. Okay, so sentences. It is Tuesday today. आज मंगल है. It is a nice weather today. आज अच्छा मौसम है. I am very happy today. आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. Okay, thank you for watching and please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.